Huawei CE6881-48S6CQ-B Upgrade and Configuration Guide. Technical details, common errors, and solutions. This article is a practical upgrade plus configuration playbook for the Huawei CE6881-48S6CQ-B in modern data centers. It stresses pre-work first. Assess current bottlenecks, 10G, 40G limits. Plan for growth with 25G, 100G. Confirm interoperability with core routers, firewalls, and verify firmware compatibility. The upgrade flow is backup configs, replace legacy hardware with proper power, cooling, and cabling, then upgrade firmware using management tools, eSight, NMS, and verify system status. Configuration guidance covers basics, management IP, VLAN segmentation, access trunk port roles, and advanced items like OSPF, BGP, VXLAN for virtualization, VRRP for high availability, plus QoS and monitoring for performance tuning. It also lists common failures and fixes. Avoid power loss during upgrades. Use UPS plus recovery tools. Troubleshoot VLAN issues by checking IDs and port modes. Resolve post-change performance drops by validating speed duplex. And fix routing not propagating by checking protocol interface bindings. Validation steps include ping traceroute, throughput testing, iPerf, and HA failover tests.